welcome to episode 3 of Thrift Flip. So, when we think about thrifting, we usually think about fashion, right? The beauty of thrifting is cheap, good stuff. So, whether it's furniture, shoes, cutleries, books, and of course, bags. I was scouting goods at Tilly's, as usual, when I came across this plain old tote bag. The size was perfect, the quality was good, and it was just for $1. Sealed the deal. But the problem was, it was too bland and basic. That's when I thought, I can totally wham, bam and bedazzle this. And that's what I did. In this episode, I'll show you how I turned this beast into a beauty. With accessible decoration items and bare minimum skills. The best place to get started if you have no idea what you want to do or what you want to make is getting inspiration from Pinterest. The OG place for the things I want mentally but I am not rich for. With DIYs, I always think of functionality and visual appeal I can add. I'm using this fabric glue which works pretty well. I've used it before as well. So as you can see, there is no pocket in this bag. So we're gonna make our own pocket. Sew it. Sew!
Wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. Anything that I want, I'ma get it now, now. Yeah, wow, wow, I got that wow, wow. I be feeling like a knockout, baby, pow, pow.
So, I hope you liked the video. I really enjoyed the process and the final transformation as well. You can easily make all that at your home, and if you get inspired by this kind of content, do your own DIY transformation and don't forget to tag us on Instagram. To like, share and subscribe to the video and comment down below what do you want to see in the next one. Until then, bye!
Wow, wow, I got that wow.